How we doing, folks? James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely beautiful BMW i8 Coupe. This is the 2017 model. It comes in a mineral white with the black trim. You have the BMW kidney grille up front, the front parking camera, the front parking sensors, the sport spoiler. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on the run flat tires, the black trim around the windows. You also have the winged doors. Now if you come around to the back, you have the shark fin aerial up top, the BMW eDrive i8 badging, the rear parking sensors and the rear parking camera. You also have the LED reverse tail lights, the automatic trunk, the charging cable, this is an absolute stunning looking car. Now let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the fully digital cockpit, the BMW multifunctional paddle shift steering wheel, the automatic transmission, the BMW iDrive system on board, the BMW teleservice on board, the front camera, the reversing camera and the 360-degree parking sensors. You also have the BMW pedestrian safety system on board. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a blue a blue stitch throughout. You also have the customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's in blue. The automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, fully electric windows, collapsible mirrors, the BMW SOS service system, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity and many other extras. Now folks, this is a quick look around this 2017 BMW i8 Coupe. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it.